Alright, after a little bit of trial and error, I found my preferred method of cutting concrete pavers is to use a circular saw with a concrete cutting blade. You can see I've already traced out on the paver where I want to cut. I used a white pencil crayon. It shows up better than normal pencil, so that's one thing I would recommend doing. Now, if you have a wet saw, obviously it's going to be better. So this is my preferred method with a dry saw. I found that an angle grinder didn't really make it through all the way, and that the hammer and chisel method didn't really work very well for me either. This method I found much preferable. It was easy to do and could do nice straight cuts pretty quickly. I do this with 3 pavers. You can see I've got the one on the back side, and that's so that the saw stays stable. And I got the one on the front, and that gives me something to hold on to when the saw is coming to the end of the cut. And then obviously I've got some wood underneath there. That's just some scrap wood that I had lying around, and I just set the depth of the saw so it just makes it through that paver stone, and obviously it's going to hit the wood a little bit, but not too much. And that is the fastest way I was able to make these straight cuts on these paver stones. Like I said, I think that's better than the chisel method, and I think it's definitely better than the angle grinder method. So if you're cutting a lot of pavers and you need just straight cuts, the circular saw is a good option. Wear a dust mask, wear eye protection. You should probably have ear protection as well, but that dust mask is critical. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.